Hello, this is Stacy from Truly Majestic. Today we're going to be finger crocheting this starburst rug. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is tie a cinch circle, and we're going to take this yarn and make it into a little loop like that. And we are going to pull one side up so we have a little loop here. And then we're going to pull again the loop through this and then snug it down. So what you should have is one bigger circle and one little circle. So we have our cinch circle now, and we want to chain 3 into this loop. So I just grab tightly here, and then I'm going to put my fingers through, grab the working yarn, and pull it through. And that is 1 chain, and now 2, and then finally 3. And then you should have something like this. Now we want a total of 12 double crochets to go into this cinch circle. So that first chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, even though it's not, it counts as 1. And now we're going to do 11 more double crochets into the cinch circle. So you do that by wrapping the yarn around your finger, slip it through the cinch circle, grab the working yarn and pull it through 2 stitches the first time. And then we're going to pull it through another 2 stitches, and we should be left with 1 stitch on our finger. So let's do that one more time. That was 1 double crochet, and I'm using American terminology just to make it clear. So let's do that one more time. Right, you double crochet by wrapping the yarn around your finger from back to front, through the loop, and pick up the extra yarn. Now we pull the yarn through 2 stitches and another 2 stitches. If this is too fast, use the control setting on YouTube to slow it down. You can watch this much slower if you want to. Slow it down if you can't get it. So we need a total of 12 double crochets in this loop, and that first chain 3 counts as 1. So you should have something like this at the end, and you should have 12 double crochets. So let's just count, shall we? So there's 1, 2, 3, and you can also count by these stitches. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one is going to look a little bit funny because it's that chain stitch, and that's 12. So we have a giant gap here. We need to get rid of that, and this is the tail of the cinch circle, so we just pull this tight, and this is what we have now, and we have to join this. So we need to slip stitch into the top of this chain 3. So we need to count up 3. 1, 2, 3. So in this one, I'm going to slip stitch simply by putting my finger through and pulling the yarn all the way through. There, and that's round 1 finished. So we slip stitched into this, and now we need to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now we need to double crochet into each stitch around the chain 2 times. So the first one, this counts already as 1 double crochet. So we need to see where this is coming out of, and it's starting just here. This is the first stitch. So I need to go back into this exact same space, exactly where the chain is coming out of, and again double crochet. So let's just do that, and you can see what it's going to look like. So we have 2 double crochets coming out of the same space. We need to go to the next stitch, which is just here, and do also 2 double crochets. So this will be 1, and 1 more into the same space that we've just done, the same stitch, and that's 2. So you can see what it's going to look like. So let's do one more together. We double crochet into this stitch. You can see there's a hole here. So double crochet and then again into the exact same place that this came out of. One more time. At the end of this round you should have 24 stitches. So for the first round you had 12, and then for the second round, hold it like this, you can see better. For the second round we should end up with 24 stitches once we get all the way around. So we've just finished 24, and now we have to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join these. So if you go around and count your stitches, by the way, this funny chain 3 is kind of messy, but it is one stitch. This is one stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 24. Now we need to slip stitch into the top of this one, into the top of this one, and that's our round finished. Now we need to again chain 3, so that's our slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. To see the full version of this video, please click on the link in the description.